Okay, guys, I gave us this signal on the Telegram platform yesterday, and so many of us took advantage of it. Why some of us refused to take advantage of this particular signal? Okay, so let's see the outcome of the signal. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now? Like this video and share this video with friends and family. First of all, I will be going to the Telegram platform to show you the exact signal. And of course, we get to see some of the activities happening there. Okay, guys, this is the Telegram platform, and of course, okay, these are some of the results of my trading bots, okay, which I posted yesterday. Okay, and I think we finished with something reasonable. Okay, the last post I posted about the bot results was $99. Okay, it's even we were able to get over $100 yesterday, but I didn't post that. Okay, this is the signal. Okay, so I posted this signal yesterday. Okay, I said volatility 100 will be selling, and this is our entry point. This is our TP1, TP2, TP3. I mean TP1, TP2. Then I said you should set your stop loss also. Okay, in case your capital is not that big. Okay, so now let's check out the chart right now. This is the chart, and I gave us the signal when we are around here. I gave us this signal because of this M shape that is giving us. Okay, so I knew that this is going to sell, and of course it sold till it got to this region, which got to the first TP. After that, it was supposed to get to the second TP, but it didn't get there, so it went back again. Okay, it went back again, and it was a long pullback. But at this point, if you should notice, we had a resistance zone around there. Okay, you can see it right from there. Since it didn't break out above the resistance zone, this resistance zone is actually a strong one because it has gotten there two times before. So this will be the third time it will be getting there. So it happened to be a very, very strong resistance zone. So it will be difficult for it to break out above it. But if it breaks out above, not that it cannot be broken, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. But it is a very strong one, so it might be difficult for it to be broken. And check it out, most people will have placed another order around there, or probably somewhere here, to support the order they are having before. Check it out, it's now went down. It's the first TP, the second TP, and even went further till it got to this region. That is it. That is the beauty of you understanding the chart pattern. If you understand the chart pattern, you don't even need a custom made indicator. Okay, you will be able to do it on your own. But if you don't understand the chart pattern, you will need a custom made indicator. This analysis was gotten using the same 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, so I saw it from my system. I posted it on the Telegram platform, and that was before I even checked it out on my mobile platform. Okay, it is still the same pattern. The 3M trend milker indicator will also give you the same thing. It gave, or in short, it was the one that gave me the signal, and I posted it, and it is still the same thing that's played out even by reading the chart. So either you are reading the chart or you are using the custom made indicator, you are also going to make profit. So we made a lot of profits yesterday. Even small accounts were grown to over $100 yesterday. That's so amazing. So if you know your way, you will definitely make more profit for yourself. So guys, these are some of the things we enjoy within the Telegram platform. If you are not there, you are missing out a lot. Okay, you are missing a lot. So all you just need to do is just to click on it and go to the Telegram platform, join, so that you can benefit from more information on the Telegram platform. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.